Assalamualaikum. This is Hassanuddin from Geothermal Pakistan, and we are presenting our product GeoAircon. Today I'll explain to you how the ground is smarter than what we think. So let me start off with the hottest news of the year, literally, because 23 countries have recorded their highest temperature ever. And Pakistan also faces the brunt of climate change, due to the fact that not only do we have very high energy costs, but the purchasing power of the masses is also very low. Imagine the thermal comfort that we take for granted. 80% of the population can't even afford it.
80% पाकिस्तानियों के पास एयर कंडीशन ही नहीं है.
And unfortunately, the problem seems to have no end in sight. By 2050, we are expected to have triple the demand of air conditioning as reported by the IEA. And as you can see that the population density of Pakistan is highly concentrated in areas with very hot and hot climates. This leads to a vicious cycle of climate change, because as we turn on the ACs to make it comfortable for us, we are releasing these emissions, which is further aggravating the conditions worldwide. The solution might have been underneath our feet all this time. As you can see in this graph, the ambient temperature fluctuates by a lot over the year. But as you go 15 feet below the ground level, the temperature stays at a comfortable level of 21 to 22 degrees. This phenomenon is also noticeable when you see your basements are much cooler in the summers and vice versa in the winters. So our technology, GeoAircon, utilizes this abundantly available resource with a specially designed heat exchanger unit that picks up the energy from below ground and brings it up into our indoor environment. We have two mechanisms of implementing our technology. The first one is by using a retrofitted model in which an already placed air conditioning unit is retrofitted with our unit, which helps the compressor to cut down on the work done by up to 50 to 60%. And the other case, as you can see in these installations that we have done, is that it can also serve as a standalone air conditioning solution for the masses because of the fact that it is cheaper, and in this case is not relying on a compressor. The product itself is sleekly designed with a 2 by 2 foot total area, has a weight of around 14.5 kilos, draws only 250 watts of power, and is able to suffice the cooling capacity of 1 ton, 12,000 BTUs. And this follows the quality guidelines of ASHRAE. This specially designed heat exchanger allows for rapid heat dissipations, efficient and cost-effective cooling, which enables long life and requires least amount of maintenance. Now coming to the competition, when we think about cost-effective cooling, we think about swamp and evaporative coolers. But the main fact is that they heavily rely on a very dry climate to operate. And as you can see per this graph for Islamabad and Lahore, for much of the warm season, the humidity and level is also very high, leading to very muggy conditions. And the evaporative cooling itself increases the indoor humidity level, thus causing discomfort. So with our solution, it doesn't rely on humidity at all, and neither does it add to it. Coming to the other one of DC inverters, not only is the initial cost prohibitively expensive, but it also relies on an undisturbed environment so that the claimed level of economy can be reached. The competitive advantage we have is that we are offering a high thermal comfort level at a very low cost. And our positioning is done in a manner that worldwide geothermal industry is focusing on central heating, but we have innovated upon this and positioned it for cooling as well as heating, especially for the 1 ton and 1.5 ton market. The risks of having our technology copied are protected or mitigated by having a continuous R&D and also signing for patents and copyrights. Our contingency plan depends on need-specific conditions. For example, we can also install chillers to increase performance or increase the loop length or offer a variety of refrigerants. The execution plan consists of a sales strategy that focuses on the B2B2C model, in which we are enabling micro entrepreneurs to work with us to increase our reachability and presence all over the country. We will partner with dealerships offering them our kit at a price of 40,000 rupees per ton, which they can further install at a price of 45,000 rupees per ton at different home, offices, marquees, warehouses. The marketing strategy focuses on developing pilot projects at discounted rate at targeted demographical areas, such as housing societies and residential complexes. We also use print and social media to highlight the efficacy of the solution and have a very streamlined customer acquisition funnel. We also allow for an installment method for the customer to be able to recoup their costs from the saving themselves, and also have a referral award system in place. Coming to the customer value proposition, we have a 57% saving when compared with electrical and cooling heating system, and when compared to an electric cooling and a gas heating system, the savings are of around 55%. This basically means 70,000 and 50,000 respectively for a 250 square foot area per year of savings. National Geographic has also acknowledged that a geothermal system uses only 1 unit of electricity to move up to 5 units of cooling or heating from the earth to a building. The payback is scheduled for 3 years, and for a 4 ton we have done a life cycle analysis for a 4 ton system in which a person investing 1,80,000 would be able to save up to 1.2 million through the lifespan of the product, which is around 20 years. We have done the customer identification rigorously, having interviewed over 370 prospective customers. All of them wanted a reduction in their electricity bills, and 85% of them themselves attributed to the high energy costs to their air conditioning use. 81% of them wanted to improve their AC's efficiency, and straight off the bat, 70% of them were interested in pre-ordering our product, given that a demo was presented and suitable warranty time was also made available. We also noticed that the cost-sensitive interviewers were more inclined towards our solution. As you all know, the earth is heating up rapidly. As you can see in this animation, from 1990 to 2020, the conditions have changed dramatically, and this is only supposed to get worse if you don't act on it. So the beachhead segment consists of just Islamabad, has a value of around $150 million. The serviceable obtainable market, which consists of Pakistan, is of around 1.5 billion. The serviceable addressable market, consisting of the Middle East, shall be equal to 25 billion, and the total addressable market right now is of around $400 billion globally. Our solution also has immense climate impact. As with each unit installed, we are able to save 4,200 kilograms of CO2. With just the capture of the beachhead market, we shall be able to save 2.5 million tons of CO2, and this is equivalent to planting 100 million trees. With this, we are also addressing SDGs 7, 9, 11, and 13 that pertain to climate change and sustainable cities. For the financials, in 5 years from now, we are looking at a very healthy profit of 135 million Pak rupees, which shall be made by a profit of 15,000 rupees per product and by selling 9,000 products per year. And this can be done by capturing just the 10% market share of our beachhead segment. For our progress, traction, we have very measurable and attainable goals. In the first year, we want to be able to sell around 1,000 units. And by year 5, we want to reach a revenue of $5.7 million by selling around 23,000 units. Thus also saving around 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide and equivalently planting to 3.85 million trees. The launch strategy focuses on our access to network of technical and business mentors, fusion of technology in case of IoT and IT to have better performance, and access to relevant ecosystem partners. With this, for our launch strategy, we also will be engaging in marketing programs such as brochure distribution, seminars, forums, and trade shows. With this, we will be also branding and rebranding according to customer feedback. With a dedicated sales team, we shall also develop partnerships and an extensive incentive structure. The team consists of highly motivated and passionate individuals such as me myself, having extensive clean tech experience working with UNIDO and UNEP, and my co-founder Abdul Wahab Safdar being a gold medalist at NUST and also being VP of Research and Innovation for NUST Alumni Association. The marketing is handled by Ms. Shahrbanu Shirazi, and we also have a very prominent figure in clean tech Pakistan, Ms. Hira Wajahat, who is mentoring and advising us on this project. So for talent acquisition, we are offering internships at university level and having the components of the solution being broken down into FIP to have further research. And also, we induct new talent with demonstrable skills on an equity basis. The motivation being that we want to bring thermal and financial comfort to the masses in the developing world. Thank you. With this statement, I would like to end my presentation that the future will be either green or not at all. So let's join us in using this abundantly available resource and getting rid of our climate guilt and saving on electricity as well. Thank you so much.